Good morning, grade 4, and a warm welcome to the maths class. Well, children, we are doing page 194, that is exercise 126. Now, children, this video, I had to reshoot it. Okay, there was some problem with my internal storage, and I don't know what I went to do, and the entire video got deleted. So, I am recording this again. Okay. So let's start straight away. Actually, I had drawn in the book, but I can't show it to you now. I'll show you later, as I told you, because I had to reshoot this video. So let's start, children. Find the perimeter of each figure. All sides meet at right angles. All sides meet at right angles. Children, please read the question. Okay. So now, children, look at this figure. When you look at it, what do you think? It's a square, right? So if this is 9 centimeter, what will this be? Why? What is the property of a square, children? All sides are equal. Now this also should be 9, right? But children, we have to find a perimeter. Now how do you find a perimeter? Children, see this border. You move like this. Okay? So this part is not required. Correct? So before you find, first you number them. What we are doing now? We are numbering them. This is 9, 9, 9. Now what about this part, children, over here? Now if you look at this figure is a rectangle. Correct? It's a rectangle. So if this is 9, this also has to be 9. This is 6, so this also has to be 6. Children, first you number the ones which you know, which are easy. Now as I said, children, the perimeter you need to move like this. Correct? Now you need the measure of this side. How will you know the measure of this side? Look here, children, this is 3. So this also has to be 3. As I said, children, do I need this part? The outline part, the dot dot. I don't require that. Okay. Now children, there are so many numbers. So what we do is you start from here up and move the right side. For all your figures, you start from top and you move right hand side. So now let's write 9 plus 9 plus 9. How did I get, children? 9 plus 9 plus 9. Right? After that it is what? Add 6. Correct? Now after 6, children, now here, children, you need to be careful. Okay, you need to be careful. Here I want, children, the measure that is from here to here. Can you see this rectangle from here to here? What's that measure? 6 and 9. Children, 6 plus 9 is how much? 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's 15. Correct? Now after 15, children, ignore this. Ignore this and move this side. Move this side. Move along this, children. Perimeter is this. Okay? Around this side. So 15 and then you add 6. Now children, don't forget this space around this figure. So this is 3. And finally you will have 9, because this 9 we have already taken. Now children, what you need to do is, once you have done, children, first use a pencil. Okay, all of you use a pencil. You move from the top and then you move to the end. From top, go down, down, and then you come here. So let's see, children, if we have taken the right figures. 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 6. Now this is this 15. 6 plus 9, 15. Then you have 6, this 6. Then you have 3 and then you have 9. Now children, come on, add. 9 into, children, now you can do quick. Okay? 9, you can multiply straight away. 9 into 3 is 27. 27 plus 6. Come on, quick, quick. Or what you could do is, you could put a line like this. 9, 6, 15, 6. So that you know this is your second figure here. If you're confused. Yes, what's the answer? that is 66 cm. Children, be careful with the unit, it is cm, right? Okay, now let's move to the second one. Come on children, this is simple. Now if this is 9, this also has to be 9. But children, if you see, this is only this part. So what about this? Can you see this other half? I think I should bring a scale. I need a scale to show you. Children, just wait. Okay, so if you see children, if you hold this like this, the scale over here, this is 6, right? So this is 6. So what will the total length be children? 9 you add 6, this will be 15. So you could write 15 also straight away, or you could write 9 and 6. Now children, as I said, perimeters along the border like this. Now if this is 6, this is also 6. Now children, you leave this, use your scale. This half part is 6. What about this remaining over here? Can you see this is 3? So this is also 3. Okay. Now children, first you see whether you have numbered all this, the figure. Which part is remaining? Yes, see here, this part is remaining. Can you see? Along the border. So this part is remaining. This will be 6 because this is 6. This is also 6. Now what about this part here? This is 3. Correct? Okay. Now come on. From where do we start children? From top. So it's 15 plus, now this is your 6. Then here again you have 6. Now you come here, you have 3. Then you come here, you have 9. Now children, take this whole. 6 plus 3, that is how much? 9. So 15, children please check. 15 plus 6 plus 6 plus 3 plus 9 and then plus 9. Now add this children. 15 plus 6. What's that? 15 plus 6. Yes, 21. 21 plus 6 is 27. 27 plus 3, 30. 30 plus 9. Come on children, fast. 39. 39 plus 9. Yes, 48. Now how about this figure children? Come on. First you number the ones which are known. Now if this is 8, this is also 8. Children, we need along this border. Which border? Can you see this? See here, along this. Can you see? Okay. Now 8, 8. What about this children? 10. Why 10? Because this is 10. This is 5. I've got this. Now I need this. This is 10. This is also 10. See your 10 below. So 10, 10. What about this? This is 6. So this is also 6. 8 is already written. Now this over here children. This is 6 here. What about this here? 10. Here 5. And this again 10. Come on, now add. This is a long one children. From where will we start? From the top. Okay, from the top. So 8 plus 10 plus 5 plus 10. Children, what you could do is you could put a line under this. So you know that this is your figure. This part of the figure. Now you take this part of the figure, that is 6 plus 8 plus 6. Okay. So it will be 6 plus 8 plus 6. Then you put a dash here. Underline those common ones. So you know this is one figure, this is another figure. Now this figure is left. That is what? 10 plus 5 plus 10. So add, don't forget your signs, 10 plus 5 plus 10. And finally over here what I have, see children, I forgot to number this. What should it be over here? See, this is 6. Can you see children? Why? Because this is 6. So this also is 6. And here, this will also be 6. Children, see, that's the reason why I told you to use. I told you no, please use your pencil. So I need to do some changes here. That will be 8 plus 6. Got it children? Why? Because see, it moves like this. It moves like this. Correct? So 8 plus 6 plus 10 plus 5 plus 10. Now 6 plus 8 plus 6. Then 10 plus 5 plus 10. This is your this figure. And now over here it is add 6. Children, only 6 here because 8 and 6 we have already taken. I told you we are moving like this. Correct? Yes. Now add. Children, I think the adding part you can do. Because see children, 10 plus 5 plus 10. This you can do it mentally. This also you can do it mentally. And then you do it. Okay. Now let's move to the next one. Now children, we have moved to the next page, that is page 195. What are we doing? We are finding the perimeter. And what have they told us children? All the sides meet at right angles. All the sides, this is very important children. All the sides meet at right angles. Right angle means 90 degree. Can you see the sides? They are meeting at 90 degree. Here, here. Okay. And how do we find the perimeter children? We have to move along this border like this and then like this. Right? Okay. So let's start with this. First, what did I tell you children? We have to number them. Number them means the measure. What's the measure? Now how we know the measure? Let's see first the known sources. Children, if this is 8, I have to move like this, correct? Like this and then like this. If this is 8, this is 6. Why this is 6 children? Because 6 is here. Can you see? So this part is 6. See here children, this part is 6. Correct? Now children, this is a little tricky. I want to know this part. This part is, the total part is 18. Can you see? Total part is 18. If I put this here, the total part is 18. Okay. Now I want to find the measure here below. The measure here below. How would I get it? So what you could do is 18 less 8. 18 less 8. Then you will get this extended part over here. Okay, this part. See here. You could put this outline like this. Because this is 18 and this is 8. So this will be what children? This will be 10. So if this is 10, this is also 10. Correct? Now children, look at this side. Okay, the whole part over here is 16 and this is 6 and this is 6. So what will this part be? You add for 6 and 6. That will be 12. So 16 less 12. So that will be how much? 4. Correct? So this is 4 cm. Don't forget your units. Understood children? Okay. This is 10. So this is also 10. Now what about this part here? This is 6. So this is also 6. Okay. And this part over here is 16. Now have I got all the measures? No, this measure I need. Children, see, I will move along, no? When I do this, 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 and then I move here. So I need this part over here. So this part will be 8. Clear? Children, clear? How did I get this? 10. See here, I put the dots. The total is 18. 18 minus 8 is 10. How did I get here 4? Because this opposite side over here is 16. So you add this is 12. So 16 minus 12 is 4. Now come on children, now let's start. 8. Now move along this border. Plus 6, plus 10, now plus 4, plus 10. 10 plus 4 plus 10. Children, what I told you, if it is of the same figure, just put a line. Some of you are smart enough, you could add it mentally also. But I am doing children as a beginner for everyone. Okay. Now move to this side. So that will be what? Add 6, this 6, add 8, and then finally add 16. Yes. Just check again children. See in the previous sum, how did I miss? So please check again. Or you could do, you could just make circles when you know you are finished with that. 8 plus 6 plus 10 plus 4 plus 10 plus 6 plus 8 plus 16. Yes. Add. Come on quickly. Children, now you should do things mentally. 8 plus 6 is 14. Now this is easy. Okay. So this would be 14. Now 10, 20, 24. Now again 8 plus 6 is 14. Then 14 plus 16 is how much? 30. So what would the total add up to? Come on. 68. And if we will write here cm. Okay. Now children, move to this one. This is 5, so this is 5. Okay. Now what will this be? This part over here, 10. Correct? The whole thing over here is 10. This we have already got. Children, we are moving like this. See this part over here, children. This part is missing here. I need a number over here. So this over here, it is 10. Can you see? So here, this will be how much? See children, this line and this line. Wait. Can you see this line and this line? So that will be how much? It will be 5. Correct? This is 10. This is 10. This I got. Now children, add it directly. 10 plus 10 plus 5, that is 25. Now here it is 5. What is this measure over here? 10. Correct? 10. And now this is 10. So let's start writing. What did I tell you? Start from the top. So it is 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5. Can you see when you are moving down, the measure of this is 5. Now move straight. That's 10, then 10, then 25. Now over here it is 5 plus 10 plus 10. You could put a box if it is the same figure. Yes. Now add. Come on. Children, this is multiples of 5. This you can do it. I think you can do that. It should be 80, I think. 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Yeah, it should be 80. Okay. Now this figure. Look at this figure. What would it be, children? This is 8. Now I want a measure of this. I will move like this, correct? This is 7, so this will also be 7. Right? Now children, look here. I want this measure of this part over here. The entire part is 26. The entire part over here is 26. Can you see? They have done arrows from year to year. So it will be 26 less 8 plus 8 is 16. Less 16. So that will give you 10. So this measure I get here 10. Now I move like this, like this, like this, and years. This will be 7. Why? They have already told us 7, 7, 7. This I have got. This will be 13. Correct? 6 plus 7, that's 13. Now what is this measure, children? 8. Now I need this measure. What will this measure be? Can you see? If you keep the scale here. Okay. So you will, this part is 8 and this part is 10. So 8 plus 10 is 18 and then 20. Now children, as I told you, okay, because I had to reshoot this, I had done this in the notebook. So I'll show you in the notebook. See this, children. Okay, this is how I had done the first video. So in the notebook for you it is simple. I have drawn it and I have used colors. So it's very simple for you to do it, to solve this. It shouldn't be difficult. Because in the textbook it is light. See this. Right? Children, group them. Then again question 2 is here. I will be posting this, children. Be careful, move along the border. I've done the orange one so that you know that's the border. Then finally you have this. Okay. So for homework, children, what you're going to do is you will do page 194, 195. Children, I have almost solved all the 6 sums for you. Okay. I have done all the 6 sums for you on both the pages 194 and 195. So I think you can do these 2 pages by yourself. That's this page here and this page here. Both these pages you can do it on your own. Page 196 and 197 will be your homework. So that's all, children. Enjoy your weekend and sorry for sending the video so late. Please bear with me, children.